Hi, thanks for a great session for 2 days. Okay, actually, it was an eye opener for me, and for the past 9 years, I was working for a small company where I don't know much of the templates and all this, what should happen and everything. We simply go with rough order estimates and everything we go. And now I came to know how I have to go in this proper structured way. Even I've completed my PMP in June. Though I've completed my PMP, okay, I'm not aware on how to go ahead in a practical way not completed, but when you put into a practice, it will come to me. This is the place where I've learned all these things, and definitely this will be a fruitful session for me. And I would like to prepare the situation interview questions as per your inputs and make it more fruitful for me.
Okay, so in addition to what I have stated, so these 2 days, right, it just has flown like anything. Okay, the organization is a kind of arranged in a very structured manner. Okay, the risk management, DISC, PID, and at the end, the interview, the questions, the pattern of the interviews, different styles of the project management, program management, and product management. So there are many takeaways. Okay, though the information is kind of overwhelming in these 2 days, little longer, but it never felt like it's a very long in nature. That is one thing. And the other thing is the assignments, right? The assignments, we kind of played different roles. Now everyone here worked together like a family for these 2 days, right? So we never know each other before day before yesterday, but now at least we know everyone, and every one of us here have come up with a kind of great background and the project manager a different kind of experience. But here in these 2 days, we kept all our ego feelings, hierarchies, all those things aside. And I remember yesterday where someone was played like a team member role. Okay, so now how we handle that kind of a situation. So these kind of things and all definitely help. And here, the last but not the least one on the interview side. So whatever that we are conveying, that we always think from our and from our perspective only. But now here, having understanding different answers from the different people. Oh yeah, okay, this can be answered in a different way, right? And again receiving the feedback from the different people. Okay, so this is where that I think we are doing something wrong and we should correct ourselves. So that way, so a very well structuredly organized program, and thank you very much. So I did not expect, to be honest with you, this much, but this is a kind of definitely a useful 2 day session.
Yeah, I think the session was good. Currently, I'm not into program management. I'm majorly into service delivery space. So it was good to relate the things that are going on in program and project management. The content was good. I did like most of the stuff that you have covered it. The agile one was good. So overall, it was good interaction with everyone, and I think I enjoyed a lot. Thanks, Sandeep, for bearing me for 2 days.
Hi Sandeep. It is really a good session. I could relate many of the things to my current organization and the role what I do, and there are good examples like the PPTs and the presentation how you do. Actually, I did a small sort of PPT which you are presenting to present it to our client. But the way you were presenting looks better. Like when you click on a page, it will turn into a next page. Those sort of good way of presentation we don't have. It's a normal way of presentation. And the way we have to communicate, the way we have to present, we may have done something, but the presentation also matters. Those things that the tips what you explained us will really help us. Really, thanks for that.
Yeah. Hi, Sandeep. Thanks a lot. Actually, I am into a pure technical side. We follow all this agile process and all, but a program manager is there. He'll take care of all the things. Even though I use Jira, Confluence, everything, but I don't know detailed knowledge on that, how to move and all, because we don't have access permissions to do that. We have only permission to create a Jira ticket, assign it to developer, or close it like that. So that Jira tool, that one helped me a lot. And even agile process, I have some doubts on effort estimation. How will effort estimation and how you share the details to your manager, a program manager, or higher management, and risk assessment. that also really helped me a lot. Actually now I am trying it, so interview part also, like whatever we did some exercises, right? So that I think that will help me for my searching part now. So yeah, really good, and I think this is on time I got a good opportunity. So let's see. Thanks a lot.
Overall, it was a good session, and what I can say is we do day in and day out a couple of these items, but at the end of the day, we don't realize that we have done this. And when we are basically preparing for an interview, definitely we don't prepare all these topics at one shot. We would take up each topic at a time, and we definitely miss out lots of stuff when we do it all alone. So when we are doing it in a group, definitely the interaction helps us a lot, and it tries us to think in a different ways. See, now we are around 8 to 9 people here, and each one has their own thinking, and if it gives a real insight into us to why shouldn't I think in that way. So those part were really helpful to me. And apart from that, two topics which were really opened my eyes are the risk assessment, which I had done long back, I can say 6 years back, which I had left it, and that was a really recap for me. And interview part. So basically, we used to answer all the interviews. Whenever we attend the interviews, but we did not know that what to take up when. For example, I can give you one example. When they ask us to tell me about yourself, we, in general, it's a basic tendency for anyone to start from their schooling. Okay, this is where we did this, but we don't understand that. Okay, what is the main intent and what is the catch that an interviewer is looking for? Because the time limit which any interviewer can give for us to explain ourselves is 5 to 10 minutes at the max. So that 10 minutes should be utilized, and that is where I really learned a lot, that interview part, where we can organize ourselves, what to be answered, and what key areas that we should answer while to be concentrated on while answering. So that was the amazing part. What I looked at all your PPTs. Thanks. It was really helpful to me.
It was great. What my expectation from the course, it's been like more than what I expected. And the new concepts that you have just put on, and Scrum and Agile was something that I haven't seen practically, especially the Jira tool, because I do support some email connectivity issues with the Jira tool, but I haven't used this tool. But this is the first time that I saw the user interface, and also the case studies and the situational concepts that you have provided to us. I think it was great, and a kind of the brainstorming that we were able to do. Although I didn't answer all of them, but still my brain was working, and I was able to think how could I relate to all those questions and situations that you were provided. So yeah, I would say it was a fruitful 2 days. Even though we were working on the weekends, we had a great value for this. Thank you so much.
I think these 2 days actually, what I expected out of this session actually, the 2 days, the complete session, I think I got more than that actually, Sandeep, I can say that. So the PA grid, the risk assessment and the risk management are the key topics that I learned. The risk assessment and some of the agile metrics, and even the how to handle the 100+ projects, and the way how we can prepare the schedules and everything. So those are the things. It was very quite new to me, and the PA grid and risk assessment are some of the key things actually that I can make use of in our day-to-day life also. So I think that those are the really the eye openers for me, and good content actually that I got in these 2 days, Sandeep. Overall, it was a very wonderful session, and what a good insight it's given to me.
Okay, so as I mentioned, every topic kind of is a kind of have kind of a greatness in its nature, and for that matter, the way the interview questions, the interviewers getting the feedback and taking the inputs and understanding a different perspective from different people. So this is something that I like most.
For me, the best part is this interview part and this Jira, where not aware of Jira before at all, but now I came to know how to use Jira from a management perspective, and these interview questions are really good actually. This made how to attend the future.
I like the interview part. because last two questions were eye openers for me. First one was, as I explained again, explain about yourself. And many a times when they ask us, do you have anything to ask? We just come blank. So that was really eye opener. Thank you.
There are many takeaways from it, like the interview questions and the last question what you gave is really awesome thing. Apart from that, like DISC is one thing which really attracted me, and the project planning, like 100 projects at a time. When you were explaining that, I was in the view that in the same way, if it is less number of projects, we'll use the same templates for using smaller projects, maybe 100, 10 or 15, we use the same template. But when you started explaining, we have different templates for smaller projects and bigger projects, it was like a pleasant surprise for me. And the presentation and the PPT, I could correlate with the PPTs what I developed with the ones you developed. So it's like a great experience for me. Thank you.
Yeah, actually, interview part is best one, and all the reports, like how whatever given risk assessment report, even effort estimation report, planning report. These reports really like helps a lot of our career. Actually, it's like we can use those things in our day-to-day activities and all. So that is other thing. And interview. These two are like very much, and risk assessment one.
Yeah, for me, there were two things which I liked the most. One was the Excel sheet simulations that you showed us. I mean, I like the analytical, logical framework, and I mean, those were like very interesting to see. I mean, working on those Excel sheets make you more convincing, and you can understand what's going on at the back and what you're trying to convey. And the interview part was really good. I mean, it was sort of like a brush up for us, where we can go ahead and think later on how to prepare ourselves with some logical understandings and the questions and answers that we can write, and we can really demo on ourselves.
Okay.
That's it.
So yes, Sandeep. So risk management is the one topic that which I like more. And the other thing is on the templates actually. Like we used to keep our own set of templates actually, which we cannot even present to the CXO levels actually. But I got an idea now actually what information that from the CXO levels they would expect from that status report or whatever that we are going to project to the CXO. So those kind of templates was very good actually. And on the interview part, actually, how to describe that situation and how to answer that. So those are the three, the key areas that I can say that it was very useful for me, which I like more.
Yeah, I think the entire session was useful, with a lot of information that came in. The good thing, the key takeaways that I took was the 6 style of management, the DISC one, which would be helpful to do the mentoring to the team, to give them a brief information about how they can start leveraging this if they want to move into a management kind of role, to identify their weak points and plus improve on that. And plus it would give me a benefit to analyze myself further where I'm lagging and I can improve myself. And the last thing was the interview one. I think there were a couple of good questions which were an eye opener to understand how an interviewer is asking. We have taken a lot of interviews. We have asked many questions, but there are certain questions which we also fumble when we are giving an interview. So I think that was one of the good thing to relook and come up with a better approach when we are giving an interview.